a vegan friend and you don't know what to make for her, you have come to the right place. I'm going to show you a very quick and easy recipe which is guaranteed to rock your party. Let's begin. I have washed the sweet potato. Now I am going to scrape it. There's no need to completely peel it, but just scrape it, and then if you see any dark brown spots or black spots or any blemishes, just cut it out and then wash it one more time. So our sweet potato is well cleaned. I washed it one more time after scraping it. Now we are going to cut it in cubes. First remove the both ends which are little bit brown. Then I'm going to cut it in cubes. Try to cut the sweet potato in even size cubes so the sweet potato will cook evenly. So you're going to need some muscles to cut it, and take a better chopping board than mine so it doesn't slide while you're cutting. Our next step is to crush the peanuts. I'm using this cheese grater to crush the peanuts. You can either use a blender or mortar and pestle, or you can even do it with a rolling pin. I'm very curious to know if you have used your cheese grater for anything else besides grating the cheese. If you do, please comment below. I would be very interested to learn that from you. We have more flavor profiles and herbs we need to prepare. I have cranberries, couple of green chilies, and cilantro or coriander leaves. All of these should be roughly chopped. These two green chilies are not really going to make our dish super hot, but if you don't like it, you can just cut it in half, but please add at least one, because green chili has a wonderful flavor. Or if you like spicy, by all means add more green chilies. Now we also have cilantro. Some people do not like cilantro. You can omit it, but I am a big fan of cilantro or coriander leaves. That really makes our dish so special. Our prep is done, so let's get cooking. I heated 1 tablespoon oil in an iron skillet. To that, add the chopped green chilies first, followed by chopped cranberries and sweet potato. Add half of the coriander leaves, the rest will be used for garnish. Also add salt, stir, cover and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. So far our heat was on medium. Now after covering, we are going to reduce it to the lowest heat possible. After 5 minutes, we are going to open it and check if the potatoes are cooked. If not, we are going to cover it again and cook for another 5 minutes. Mine was done in 10 minutes, but yours may vary a little bit depending on your heat source. Another 5 minutes have passed. I'm going to check if the sweet potatoes are cooked. I'm going to mash it with my spatula or spoon, and yes, I can press it down and it's soft. That means it's ready. I'm going to add the crushed peanuts, stir it well, and we are ready to serve. Sweet potatoes are powerhouse for nutrition. By adding peanuts, we made it even better. If you have peanut allergy concerns, by all means you can use any nuts of your choice. Please add some nuts which raises the fiber and protein content. Have you seen this recipe before? If so, please comment. I'll meet you soon with another simple recipe like this. Till then, goodbye.